people, how you doing? My name is Dalton and this is my YouTube channel. Now, today I had a pleasant surprise. Matter of fact, this week I had a pleasant surprise. And what this video is about is to say thank you, okay? And it is about uh, a video I created called Unboxing Cintex wireless iPhone. Okay. And I had a pleasant surprise. I've been having some surprises but lately, but they weren't that pleasant. But before I go on, I want to ask you to please turn up the volume. I am having audio issues. I am trying to fix them. It's going to take a minute. Okay. Now, on with the show. Okay, first of all, I want to say thank you to all my existing and new subscribers and all my viewers. Okay, and this is what happened. I created about a year and a half ago, I created a video. Okay, and I've been looking at my analytics, and there's a video that's been going crazy. Okay, I mean, in a positive way. And that video is called Unboxing Cintex Wireless iPhone. If you don't know what Cintex Wireless is, it's a one of many government where you can get government um, cell phone service, okay, where the government pays for it. But it's one of the few, if not the only one, that can give you a iPhone. No, it's not a newer iPhone. It's like they probably upgraded by now. It's probably like iPhone 7 or something like that. But you definitely can get an iPhone from them, okay, to use as your phone, which is really, really cool because it lets you experience the Apple world, okay, in a sense, almost for free because the phone is free, okay. It comes with the government cell phone plan, okay, and you can also use ACP as well as other extended free internet service that's provided for low and middle income, okay. Now, so even if you only got $16 in food stamps, you're still open to use because you qualify. You're still open to use uh, free government cell phone service. And I don't check my analytics often, but I did check it, and I noticed that one video has been skyrocketing. Okay, and I appreciate all your views. And if I did not comment in the past on it, if you asked me something I did not comment on it, I do apologize on under that video. Well, I got 11,000 views on that one video, and most people would say, "Well, that's not a big deal." I've got this, and this channel got that many. The difference between my YouTube channel and me as a content creator and many other YouTube channels that you probably watch or any other social media you probably watch is that mine is a hobby. And the difference between a hobby YouTube channel and a non-hobby YouTube channel is that a hobby YouTube channel, you post a video maybe once a week, okay? And sometimes you can even skip a week or two, all right? Because it's not your main source of income. This is not where you make your money. A hobby channel is not, it's not your job or a career. It's just a hobby, okay? Now, other YouTube channels is usually associated with people's work at home business or some other type of business that they have. That's why you see more content loaded onto their channel more often. Okay, because views and all that, AdSense and other things are super important to them because it is a part of how they make their money. They may even have another job, but that channel is a major part of how they make their money. Okay, I just like to explain it. So, getting 11,000 views on a video, okay, that's on a hobby channel is spectacular. And I thank you all. Okay. And also, it's on the Google search, the first page of the Google search video category. All right. Um, Under Cintex Wireless. And it is a unboxing of the Cintex Wireless, and it's an iPhone 6S, I believe it is. And yes, that company still gives out quality iPhones that you could check out. Now, it's not a brand new one. And I don't know what the deal is. Apple is, they do so many things that people don't expect. You know, they may be extending security updates for old phones. Who knows? Because they got a new phone. Apple has a new phone coming out in September, as well as a new massive uh, iOS, I think 17, which is going to be awesome. And it is rumored that this is going to remind people of the old Apple, old, when they were cutting edge and they did things right. Okay. And they weren't all about the money or making a phone bigger, they were about cutting edge the right way. And it is not unlike Apple to extend security support because I worked for Apple off and on 4 years. It's tier one tech support. And I remember that first year, they literally extended and gave out unexpectedly now, gave out security updates for iPhone 5, you know, which is obsolete now, but still, that helped out a lot of people when they did that. And you're just not going to see that with Android. Now, I do have an Android phone and an Apple phone, so, I just love operating systems. Even Linux, I love operating systems. I can't afford a Linux phone right now, but I love them all. I'm non-biased. Now, but that's not what this is about. This is about a thank you, okay? Because I did not expect that. And it's really kind of funny because I was looking up the analytics going, what is going on? And I looked up and I have to get glasses. My eyesight's it's gotten worse. It's really bad. And I have some reading glasses that I got from Family Dollar. I mean, not Family Dollar, from Dollar Tree, okay, that I put on because I thought it was like 1.1, like 1,100, uh, views. And I'm like, why is this spiking like that? And I had put my reading glasses on, and I was just shocked in a pleasant and surprising way that it was 1,000. I mean, it was 11,000 views, and I was really shocked. And I thank Google that it was also on the. It's also on the first page of under the videos on Google search. Okay, and it is a short, clear, and precise, clear audio unboxing of the iPhone 6X and what uh, Cintex Wireless has to offer. Okay, and if you're a person looking for a government phone, uh, you can go ahead and check out my my playlist under my reviews, and you're probably going to see me review several government phone agencies. It may be kind of old, but I do a clear unbiased review on them. Okay, but I just want to thank y'all. Okay, that was a pleasant surprise. Uh, and I'm not crazy about surprises, but it's nice when they're pleasant. So this is a thank you video. I wasn't planning on making this, but I just had to say thank you to all those. And what's so also funny is when I saw it was 11,000 views, uh, I think I said 65% of them were from 65 to 70% of them are from the USA, but they are from all over the world. And that shocked me. I was like, ew. First, I was like excited, and then I was like, oh, let me go home and lock the door here. No, okay, but thank you all again. This was an unplanned video, but had to give you my thanks. And I will put the video that I'm talking about in the description box and in the comment box for you all if you want to check it out. Okay. And I shall wrap to y'all later. I hope y'all have a great weekend. Okay. This is Thursday, but still, this is the beginning of a beautiful, hopefully great weekend for y'all. Peace.